fishy guys. Stop.
There's three fish. Okay, Kadin, go.
Go ahead, honey. Go ahead, honey.
Go. Hurry up.
No, it's okay. Don't do anything. I'll get it. Don't do anything.
Okay, take it off now.
Take it off, Hannah. Don't put your hand, Mom. Your hand is I'll grab it. I'll grab it. Try to grab with this, man.
There's only two fish.
Where's the other fish?
Wow, moose side. Hey, don't mess up my setup.
Where's the other fish?
Good job.
Where's the other fish? Oh, there.
Fishy.
Stop. I see. Stop.
Okay, what are the names? What are the names?
Peter Park.
Where's Peter Parker? Peter Parker.
The one all orange.
Which one is that?
Okay.
Which one is that fish?
Nemo's one with the black tail.
Okay.
And Sparky.
Sparky.
Is that
Oh
one.
yes, Sparky.
And
Okay, welcome to new home, Peter Parker, Sparky,
And Nemo.
and Nemo. Welcome to your new home.
Where's my fishy? Where's my little fishy? Oh, yes, you are my little fishy.
I just hope they won't. I just hope they will survive.
They are surviving.
Well, we'll see.
Oh, where's my little doggy? They're not going in.
Tata, you see the fishy?
Yeah, and here.
Which one is yours?
They're all mine.
No, which one is yours, Tata?
Your favorite color.
Which one? That one's yours? Yeah. The black.
It's all mine.
The black fin is Cecilia's.
No, it's mine.
Yeah.
Kadin,